Okay, next let's look at how to develop ROC curve. Okay, for preparing ROC curve we need library PROC. So ROC. Okay, so that's the function that we use, and here we need to supply the actual class, so it will be owner df class, and the second argument is the predicted probability or propensity, right? Then say comma owner df probability. Okay, so if you run that, then it gives you what the area under the curve AUC is from the ROC. But what we want is to plot the ROC. So we say plot equal to true. If we did that, then the ROC will get plotted. Okay. Now this plot doesn't look very good because it's starting from minus 1.5 and 1 and all that kind of stuff. So you want this to be padded a little bit differently. So you do that by setting par. So par is the plotting default, plotting parameter, default parameters. Okay, so M is maximal and S is squared without any padding. So it's a bunch of parameters that are saved. So it's a good idea to, if you want to change the pair, so you save the original par like that. Okay, so that you can put it back to how it was afterwards. So we can say par PTY equal to S. Okay, and then if you run ROC, then so like that, then it'll give you the plot in a concise manner. So plot is true. Okay, good. And then you can use color equal to blue, then you'll have a blue line for the ROC, and then you can see line width equal to 4, and you will have line width equal to 4. Now if you see specificity, okay, it's starting from 1. Okay, ROC curve normally you plot 1 minus specificity on the x-axis and sensitivity on the y-axis. So that's what is done here. So you're using 1 minus specificity on the x-axis. So that's why you see 1 here, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0.2. But the it's labeled as specificity, and you have 1 through 0 instead of 0 through 1. So you can change that by setting legacy axis equal to true. So if you put legacy axis is equal to true, then you change that. Okay, this will look like regular ROC curve. And then you can specify percent equal to true, then these numbers will be showing up as percentage. Okay, and we can print area under the curve. Okay, so usually it's a good idea to print area under the curve, okay, to true, and that will print the area under the curve. Okay, I need a comma here. Okay, so there. Now if you want to place the area where you print AUC, okay, in a different place, then you can specify the x-axis and y-axis. So print AUC y equal to, so you can specify where you want. You want, say, like 20, or you want 80, or whatever. So let's say we want 20. So then it will go down to 20. And if you want to adjust, print dot AUC dot x. Now here you have to be careful because we changed it to 1 minus. Okay, so here if you want, like if you want it at 80, okay, you have to really say 20. Okay, so then it'll start at 80. Okay, let's make it 30. Okay, so that's that. You can also, there is one more thing that you can do, and that is you can smooth if you like to, if you like the curve to be smooth instead of going like that, you can say smooth equal to true, then it'll smooth it out.